tackle box unboxing for the month of August. And as you guys might know, it's Mystery Tackle's birthday, so this should be a good box. Right off the bat, we got some dude wipes. Let's see if the card. Here we go. Alright. We got a shattery, a little crankbait. Take that out. Let's get some weight to it. Retail for $6. We got a just cut myself. No biggie. Get it out here. Some nice color to it. So, $8 spinnerbait. Some super jerky J. Okay. $3.50 for a 3-pack. Got some Z-Man here. Pop shads. This is the last deck. 1. And we got a bag of lizards here. Retails for $177, 4-pack. Two hooks. The scratch thingy, and another hoo rag. Do the scratch. What's the rules? Two. Two symbols. Didn't match the hatch. Well, thanks for watching.